Hello and welcome to another pronunciation video with myself, Miss Bidisha Data. Let's look at our phonemic chart. Over here are of course our vowel sounds, and along here are our diphthong vowel sounds, which are two vowel sounds said together in the same syllable. Along the bottom here are our consonants, and we will be focusing on two of these today. They are grouped in pairs according to voiceless and voice consonants. And today we'll be looking at P and B, and we will look in more detail at these over the next slides. Let's look now in more detail at our P sound. This is a consonant sound. Loosen your lips and your mouth and make the P sound. P, 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 like this. This is a voiceless sound, which means the vocal cords are not engaged when making this sound. The vocal cords in your throat are not used. The sound comes from your mouth. P, like this. P. Then there are two stages when making this sound. The first is to press the lips very tightly together like this, which allows a build-up of air pressure behind the lips. You can actually feel the air building up as you press your lips together. And the second stage is the release of the air when you say P, like this, P, and it releases it, P, like this. And that is how you make the P sound. We can practice using a piece of paper to show that the P sound is voiceless or unvoiced. You can actually hold a piece of paper in front of your mouth like this. As you can see, it is still, and then when you say P, 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 the paper very clearly moves. This is due to the release of air making the paper move as you open your lips. P. Okay, we are making the P sound. P. So now let's look more closely at how we make our P sound. Here we have a diagram. You can see firstly you bring your lips tightly together and press them together like this. This blocks the airflow coming up from your throat. Pressure therefore builds up inside your mouth, and then we open the lips quickly to release the pressure and the air comes out. So we go from to P, P, like this. We are making the P sound, P. Now let us look at some sounds and spellings of our P sound. This first line shows words where the P sound is at the beginning of the word, and so we'll go through them. Place, play, pay, pull, problem, part, and point. Our second line will show words where the P sound is in the middle of words. For example, happen, people, important, appear, and apple. And our final line will show words where the P sound is at the end of the word. For example, help, up, top, keep, and group. And spellings, our P sound is always spelt with the letter